Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the PIN code to your device. So, first of all, make sure that you're trying to enter the security PIN code, which it is, and not the SIM card PIN code to your phone, because these two are often mistaken for each other. So try to enter your security PIN code, and in case you don't succeed and there is no chance that you can remember it, then in such case you're gonna have to reach out to Google customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if they ask you about it, provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought it, and then they will most probably be able to let you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from your device. If this option is unavailable for you, you can perform a factory reset operation on your phone, and to perform a factory reset operation you're gonna have to either do it remotely or locally. To do it remotely, use any other device that you have. Open the Google Chrome basically open a web browser on it, then go to the search engine and search for the Find Hub website. And once you find the Find Hub website, open it. Now sign into your Google account on this device, then go to your Google Pixel 10 Pro, and if it's not the same device as in my case, if it's not the Google Pixel 10 Pro where I'm opening this application, you'll be able to see the factory reset operation here on the settings list. For example, let's select a different device, and let's go to settings, and as you can see, here is the option to factory reset. So that's what we're looking for. If you if you enter this on any other device than this phone, you'll be able to perform factory reset operation of your Google Pixel 10 Pro remotely, and once your device is fully reset, you'll be able to set it up once again as a new device, and then use it once again. So basically regain access to your phone once all the data is erased from it. Now the second option of performing the hard reset operation is by entering recovery mode and performing factory operation through the recovery mode. If you don't know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel that explains everything step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that video out. And now let me tell you what you can do in case you do remember your PIN code, you do remember the PIN code that you entered the last time when you accessed your device, but your phone simply doesn't accept it. So in such case, what you're gonna have to do is enter the safe mode on your device where there are no third-party applications that may affect the way that your lock screen behaves. And your phone is simply less laggy there, so it's a great option to check your PIN code. So what you have to do is press the power button and volume up keys at the same time, then hold down the power off option and click OK, and wait until your device is restarted in the safe mode. And once your device restarts into the safe mode, you will see this safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. And now if you enter your PIN code here, you'll get access to your device without a problem. If it's the right PIN code. Now, what you're gonna have to do to restore access to your device is go to the settings, then scroll down to security and privacy section, select device unlock, then select screen lock, enter your PIN code once again, and then select none. Click delete. And now just restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key at the same time, select restart, and once your device restarts, you'll be fully able to use your device once again, just like you did before. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.